If I had to start over today with absolutely nothing, these are the things I would do. No money, no connection, just experience, learn the hard way. I would learn one high income skill, not 10 things, not scrolling all day, one thing that people are still looking for. Second, I would get in front of people every day, talking, posting, showing value, because attention is the new currency. Third, I would protect my time like my life depended on it. No distractions, no energy drain, just focus on what pays me back, because now I understand what I didn't before. You don't need more time, you need a better decision. Most people stay stuck, not because they don't know what to do, but because they don't do it long enough. So if you're starting over or starting late, don't panic, get focused, stay consistent, stop wasting time, because it only takes one decision to change everything.